guys, so today is our last day on our biography journals because there's no school tomorrow, woohoo! And today we are doing a timeline. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that with my explorer, Ferdinand Magellan, who I've been doing all week, and you're gonna do it with your explorer that you've been doing all week. So let's take a look at how we're gonna do that today. So here is my article. And here is my journal. And my biography journal direction says, today you are creating a timeline for your explorer using the graphic organizer below. Use the reading to complete the timeline. Now I have years and events, but it's more of a sequence of events journal / timeline because I want the events in order, but not all the events in our articles have a year, but they're still important to mention. So let's, we're going to try to add events when we can, but if we can't, then we're just going to add the event without the year. So I'm going to take a look at my article, and I'm going to start with the first thing that happens, and the first thing that happens is when he was born. So Ferdinand Magellan was born in 1480 in northern Portugal. So that's what I'm going to write. In 1480, Ferdinand Magellan was born in northern Portugal. That's my event. And now I'm going to go back to my article and see what happens next. What's the next event that happens? I'm scrolling around, I'm looking for key details. Let's see. He enjoyed sailing and exploring. Magellan had traveled to India. All right, I'm going to start with this event right here. So in September of 1519, Magellan set sail in his attempt to find another route to Eastern Asia. So I'm going to write that down next. So that was September, what was it, 1519. And these event things, I know they're annoying because they move back and stuff like that, but it's the best I could do, and I appreciate you being patient with it. So Magellan set sail in his attempt to find another route to Eastern Asia. Set sail to find another route to Eastern Asia. All right, and now I'm gonna go back and let's see what else is next. Oh, there was a mutiny. Now this is an important detail, but as you can see, there's no year, but it's significant enough that I'm going to add it to my timeline. So I'm going to write, at some point, there was a mutiny. But the year, we don't have a year for that. But it's an important event nonetheless. Now let's see what else happens. Magellan continued to sail south. On the other side, took a few days. Ships left. So this is time. Oh look, they finally entered the ocean. So I'm gonna write that down. They found the Pacific Ocean. Again, we don't have a year, but it's important. It's about his expedition. That's what we're writing a timeline about. So then we're gonna say, oh, now let's see. Magellan dies. Okay, so we're gonna write down Magellan dies. That's super sad. And if I scroll up, I can see he died April 27th, 1521. So I'm going to write, yep, April 27th, 1521. April 27th, 1521. Ferdinand Magellan dies in battle with tribe, right? Because I want to be specific. Now, if you are a student who has more that they want to add, and I will give my class extra credit if you do more than 5, because that's showing me that you are, whoa, you rock. If you want to add more of these, what you do is you highlight a couple, you copy it, you go to copy, and then you would hit, I would line it up in the middle-ish a little bit before you hit paste, just so that you can paste it well, and then you're gonna hit paste, and then you get some more in there. Now I copied some that had writing in it, so you were gonna have to delete that if you wanted to add more to it. But now you know you can add as many as you want, and the more you add, the more points your teacher will give you. at least in my class. So good luck on your timelines. Remember to go back and forth with the article. And yeah, you did it. You wrote a biography. Air high five. Nice. Have a good, wonderful, wonderful long weekend. And I can't wait to see your journals.